Hi everyone. In this tutorial, we will show you how to add or change your profile photo in Microsoft Teams. Updating our profile picture helps colleagues easily recognize us and gives our account a more professional and personalized look. Let's get started. On the Microsoft Teams dashboard, we go to the upper right corner where our initials appear. In this example, the initials are JM. We just need to click on this area. Next, we click on the J in the circle to change or add a profile picture. We click here. Now, we can upload our profile picture by browsing our files. Scroll through the files and select the picture we want to use. When we are happy with the settings and any adjustments, click Save. Our picture is now updated in Microsoft Teams. Make sure to use a clear and professional image so our team can easily identify us.